Hello everybody, how are you? My name is attorney Charles Zavala. I'm an immigration lawyer here with Zavala Texas Law. We make videos about immigration or things relating to this legal world. So if you like our videos, feel free to subscribe or follow us on any of the social medias. So today I have just kind of a news update that I'm going to give you regarding two things. One of them has to do with citizenship, or if you're applying for citizenship, and the second one has to do with asylum or how the immigration courts are going. So if you think you'd be interested in any of these two, feel free to watch. It's not going to be a very long video. So the first thing I'm going to start off with, so today is March 22nd, 2023, right? So a lot of people have been noticing there's a lot of news of what's going on at the border. There's a big migrant flow coming from the south, right? So I'm just going to read you some numbers that were published here recently by the United States Customs and Border Protection. So they're saying in the fiscal year of 2022, there were 2.2 million migrant encounters, right? That's a big number. That's a huge number that's been going up over the years. And what happens is this, because these people are coming to the USA, 2.2 million to be exact, they're coming in, a lot of them are being apprehended because they don't either have their visas or they don't have a proper documentation to come in. So what happens is a lot of them ask for what's called asylum, and then they're placed into the immigration court system, right? That's kind of what's going on. The problem with that is, if the more people you have coming, the more court cases you're going to have. And the thing is, there just aren't that many immigration courts. I was in one earlier today, and they've been having to grow them a lot, which means new locations and hire a bunch of new judges to deal with this massive flow of migration that's coming. And now I'm going to read you a few other numbers, and this one has to do with asylum. So right now, as of 2022, there's a 1.6 million pending applications for asylum, right? So of those 2.2 million that are coming, like I said, a lot of them are applying for asylum, and so right now there's pending 1.6 million. What else is an interesting number? Back in 2012, there were only 100,000 pending, right? So that's a huge increase in how much it's going. And they're saying that right now the average person is waiting about, and I'm apologize, I'm reading here the screen, 4.3 years for their case to be heard, right? So what's happening, a lot of people are coming up from the border, their cases are being processed in the immigration courts, they're applying for asylum, and there's not enough courts or judges to deal with it, which is causing a really big backlog, right? So that's just a little update of what's going on with the asylum. The other thing I wanted to talk about is actually pretty cool. It has to do with citizenship and being a green card holder. So to become a citizen in the United States, you have to have been a green card holder, or what's called a legal permanent resident, right? What happens though is once you're a legal permanent resident, you apply for citizenship. What USCIS recently came out and said is, look, if you apply for citizenship and your green card is going to expire during that time, don't worry about it. We'll automatically renew it. And that's fantastic, because what happens is, I have clients who call me and say, look, I want to apply for citizenship, but my green card's also expiring. Do I have to do both? And the worry is, well, if for whatever reason my citizenship gets denied or something, and I never renewed my green card, am I stuck out of status? Or, do you pay filing fees on both? But recently here at USCIS said this is effective of December 2022. It's going to automatically extend your green card for if you applied for citizenship or naturalization, right? So that's a good thing. You no longer have to renew your green card once you've applied for citizenship. So that's the information for today, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Sorry I've been gone for a while, been a little busy. But if you like our videos, feel free to subscribe. If you have questions, feel free to give us a call. My name is attorney Charles Zavala. I can help you no matter where you are in the USA. Hope you have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.